Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious churros without butter. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of water, a half teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Don't forget the vegetable oil for frying, and a piping bag with a star tip for that classic churro shape. These basic items are all you need to get started on this tasty treat. Now let's create the churro dough. In a medium saucepan, combine your water, sugar, and salt, bringing the mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove it from the heat and quickly add all of your flour at once. Stir vigorously until a thick, sticky dough forms and pulls away from the sides of the pan. Return the pan to medium heat and continue stirring for about 1 minute to dry out the dough, ensuring a perfect texture. Next, it's time to fry our churros to golden perfection. Fill a deep pot with about 3 inches of vegetable oil and heat it to between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4 to 6-inch strips of dough directly into the hot oil, working in small batches to avoid overcrowding. Fry each batch for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are cooked through. Once fried, immediately transfer your churros to a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. While still warm, toss them generously in a mixture of granulated sugar and ground cinnamon for that classic sweet coating. Serve these delightful treats right away. They are absolutely delicious on their own, or you can pair them with a rich chocolate dipping sauce or a creamy dulce de leche for an extra special touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.